We are going through a lot of changes, and you know that just happens in life. And it's been a while since we started this RV lifestyle. So with that in mind, we're not going to be going back to Sundance anymore. We're not work camping anymore.
Yeah, we had 5 good years.
Yep.
It was fun. We made lots of wonderful friends. And we'll keep all those wonderful friends.
Yep. We have a new RV that we're trying to work out, get it working.
We got a 1,000 Trails membership. You'll be hearing about a lot.
Yep, so we'll be doing that too.
And
so
that's what year round.
We are starting out for 2025 for our spring
summer.
2025.
Well,
no, this
summer.
is summer. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Our summer 2025 because we've already done our springs. Hi everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. You know, we really have had a rough last month and a half.
About 7 months. What do you mean?
No, you know, there's just lots of things going on, and all this work on the motorhome, and my dad passing and things like that.
Yeah.
You know, it's been hard, but we are now done with that, and we are excited to move on.
Yes.
For our summer 2025. Remember, you can go to tigneradventures.com and you can look up in the top right corner where it has the green circle kind of thing. Click on there and you can see our map. You can kind of see what we're going to be doing. So anyway, we are...
Come along with us.
Yeah, so we stayed last night at my sister's place on our way headed north. Look at this beautiful view. This is where we are storing Beulah. So we have been going through Beulah for the last month at least, trying to get things transferred over to the motorhome, over to, did I say
Bella.
Beulah or
Yeah,
no,
you
Bella?
did say
Yeah,
Beulah.
over to Bella. See, that's the problem with the 2 B's. But anyway,
We can do it.
we get it all transferred
You
over
did
to
it right.
Bella. So Bella's got a few problems still, and we'll be working out problems just like
She's
we
a
do with any
temperamental girl.
RV. You'll just work out the problems as you go along. So in the case of Bella, she still has issue starting up sometimes, and she
doesn't
has
like
an
to
issue.
run.
Yeah, she doesn't like the issue of being in the cold. If it's warm out, she is perfectly happy. So anyway, but our jack motor quit too, so we lost our jacks. I did order another motor for that, so I am getting that installed. And you've seen the video we did where we got our windshield replaced, so that's all exciting now. So anyway, let's get going on this new trip.
Yep, let's go.
Look, we can even hear ourselves talk, and the radio's hardly on. We can hear it. This is pretty nice driving. All right, we are here at Love's. Gonna top off the tank before we get started. So we're trying out our open roads car. Okay, so I got our car here. Gotta use your loyalty card. Diesel. We don't want death. I put our control number in. Additional products. No. Yes, we want a receipt. Okay, we are ready to go. So this is the pump price, and our discounted price is $3.16. So my Open Roads app wasn't working, but I forgot that I've got my Starlink on top of the roof there, and we're pulled under this cover. So, yep, Wi-Fi's down right now. Build up until it foams. All right, we are full. 92 gallons, $358. That's the pump price. We'll see what it is when we get our statement from Open Roads. All right, so we are pump 17. We got to go inside to get our receipt. So they don't print at the pump. All right, here's our receipt. Thank you. Got a receipt in hand. We're headed back out to the rig and we'll get back on the road. So you always pull away from the pump to free up the pump for the next guy behind you. You pull up in front here and park, and then you run in and get your receipt. Kind of windy out here, but you always want to double check your connections and everything every time you stop. Make sure everything's good all the way around your rig. So there's our mileage, 138,622 miles. We'll put that on the receipt and figure out what our miles per gallon is. One thing that you should do from time to time is check your weight. And since this is new to us, a new rig, we filled up. Everything is now in the rig. So we are ready to check our weight again. Do that at a CAT scales. And so there's one here at Love's. A lot of trucker places have those. It is a one-way entrance. You can see there's 3 different sections here. So we got to get our front wheels on that little section up front. And everything else will be on the other spots. Okay, the key is here we've got our front wheels on that front pad, back wheels on that pad, and the car is on that pad. Okay, I'm standing on the scale, so I get weighed too. I push the button here and told the guy I was a private vehicle, and he is doing the weight.
All right, we got your weight. Once pull off the scale, come on inside and I'll take them to desk.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I went in and I paid. It was $14 for the weighing, and our total weight is 33,340. Our motorhome weighs 28,000, about 29,000. We're right at our limit, and then our car is 4,300 pounds. Woo. And we got a towing of 5,000, so we're good there too. So we are all in specs. That's the important thing. And now we got extra stuff in here we're going to get rid of, but this is the most that we weigh at this point. That's our truck stop experience for today. And luckily we can go about, that was 898 miles I think, but we can go up to at least 1,300 on one tank of fuel. We have arrived at Yellowstone National Park.
Woohoo! That was skinny.
Okay, we picked up our information sheet and information, and we are ready to go. We have a lifetime senior pass, so it works out really nice going out to all the national parks. Well, we're driving to our camping spot, and it's a beautiful drive. We have missed being out driving, enjoying nature. Look at this massive river.
Those big rocks.
Look at the big rocks. Wow.
We've already seen the buffalo. Wow. Already. I'm sure we'll see them again.
Yeah, we've seen buffalo and we've seen elk, but we didn't have the camera rolling yet, so. But I'm sure we'll catch some more here as we drive. Interesting enough, there's now a car behind us, but there's a ton of people leaving because it is like, what time is it? 5 o'clock? 5, 6 o'clock, and we're going in. So see, everyone's leaving the park, going home, and we have a cool place to stay, so we are going into the park. So we have entered the park from West Yellowstone. That's the Idaho side, and we are going almost all the way through the park, like an hour and a half from West Yellowstone. So anyway, our friend said 45 minutes depending on the bison, what was it? Bison jams. Really bouncy roads. Tansy does not like these roads. And this rig seems to ride a lot harder. We are 10,000 pounds heavier, but Bella has a lot stiffer suspension.
This is probably the one. Oh! Well, that was good.
We have hit 8,100 feet up.
The snow-capped mountains keep appearing and disappearing. Haven't got in the groove of traveling yet. There they go. Can't see them anymore.
We have made it to Yellowstone. Whew.
And it is cold.
Yes, it's cold, and I probably can't read this, but no, we're at 7,700 feet right now, but we went as high as 8,200 feet. So we're right up on the top. There is snow everywhere, and our friend said that they had 4 to 6 inches of snow this morning when she got up, so it's all melted off, and so it doesn't last very long, but it's going to be a cold week. But that's okay. We're okay with that. Yeah. So anyway, we just finished our trip for today, and we got lots of things planned for this week. We're going to be here for a week.
We're gonna rest.
So, well, we're going to rest, but we're going to have some fun too.
And we'll have some fun.
Yeah. So anyway,
need a little rest.
but Bella did very well today.
Yeah.
And
Well, once she got started.
Yeah, it took a little bit to get started, but hey, we got some leads on what's going on there, and so I think we may be okay. So anyway, the key is the previous owner said that she doesn't like it when it's cold, so you gotta let we don't have glow plugs on this particular engine. She said it's a glow plate, and so you got to let it warm up a little bit longer before you try to start it. So anyway, we're digging into that a little bit, and you know, and that may just be the simple fix. So the other fix is to plug it in. You know, back when I did the solar, I said, oh, here's the engine warmer, and we're never going to use that. Well, we need to use that. It is cold here, so it'd be interesting to see how the batteries hold up with this cold weather. But it's going to be pretty much freezing every night, I think, while we're here. But the daytime, it gets really nice, and it's just this little weird storm that everyone's getting. This is the week before Memorial Day, and things always seem to go all kinds of weird, so with weather and everything. So we're pretty excited, but I don't know.
Started to get traveling again.
Yeah, we're excited to travel, and you've seen some stuff. You've seen snow mountains, snow-capped mountains, and we got to see some buffalo and elk, and at some point we're going to try to see a bear. I don't know that
our friend says there's tons of bears. She'll just tell us where they are.
Yep. So anyway, the area that we're in right here is the work camping area. So work camping and friends, we're staying here. So we do have hookups and everything up here at Yellowstone, and we're pretty excited. And we've known Nicola
about 6 years.
About 6 years now, and
this is her 5th year working here. So.
And she's from Alaska, so I don't think
she likes it here.
I don't think this is cold to her, but anyway. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us today. Hopefully you got a little bit of sense of what's happening with us and where we're going for this summer, and we're pretty excited. We're really excited to be back on the road again. This last couple of months has definitely taken a toll on us with the whole family stuff and everything, and I don't know.
Change of life.
Yeah, it's not over yet per se, but anyway, we're working on it. So thanks for coming along with us, and we will count on seeing you on our next video or down the road somewhere. So take care.